Sir James Dyson is paying one of his top designers to train future inventors. Gareth Jones, who helped design the firm's first ever vacuum cleaner, has begun teaching engineering students at Bath University.
Dyson's charity foundation also pays for 5 schools in the city to have state-of-the-art design equipment. Martin Jones reports.
James Dyson is one of the country's best-known inventors. But how does he get more young people to follow in his footsteps? Well, here's one way to get schools in Bath to change the way children think about engineering.
They see it mending a car or building a bridge, which it could be, but equally it could be a whole number of other related careers and industries. So what we're trying to do is keep the passion of designing, innovating, problem solving alive, with the hope that that in turn ultimately ends up with more wanting to pursue it at a higher level.
Money from Dyson's charity foundation has paid for new equipment here, laser cutters and 3D printers. But it's also helping dispel the myth that engineering is just for boys.
No, it can be for any gender.
Well, I wouldn't mind car engineering because I thought that would be quite fun because I do like cars and I do like all the engines that work in it.
Well, it's easy to see how young people can be enthused about designing and making things when they're using technology like this that's literally cutting edge. But the trick, the big question for UK industry, is how do you turn this enthusiasm into something that carries on into later life, into degree level and beyond? That's because the UK has too few engineers. The country needs 87,000 each year over the next 5 years, but there are only 46,000 coming out of our universities. In particular, there aren't enough women. Just 7% of Britain's professional engineers are female. Another way to remedy that is to send one of Dyson's top designers to Bath University to teach tomorrow's inventors. Gareth Jones was part of the team that designed the company's first vacuum cleaner.
If we can show people the sorts of outputs, the sort of products, the sort of innovation that is involved in engineering, I think that can help inspire the next generation. That will attract, I think, more school children to study engineering.
His students include Esther, who's designed a printer that makes parts for other printers.
Well, I would like to work in engineering, hopefully in something where I can have design products that will be really useful, really able to help people.
The aim is to get more projects like this started across the UK. Martin Jones, BBC Points West in Bath.